Welcome to the 20th of January video on the 6Q kata, also containing regular expressions called valid phone number. Write a function that accepts a string and returns true if it is in the form of a phone number. Assume that any integer from 0 to 9 in any of the spots will produce a valid phone number. Only worry about the following format, like this. So we've got beginning brace bracket, I don't know, 3 numbers, closing space, 3 numbers, dash 4 numbers. Don't forget the space after the close parenthesis. So open parenthesis, 3 numbers, close parenthesis, space, 3 digits, dash 4 digits. Let's train. Alright, so this one is interesting because in the last one we have also validated Dutch phone numbers, and we only needed to write a regular expression pattern. So let's first make some more test cases. As I saw, there's only one over here. So we'll make 2 false ones, and we'll just, we can just copy it from the instructions. So we say here, alright, doesn't matter which numbers, and without the dash. This one is just like this. Alright, so first, if I understand correctly, because now instead of just writing the pattern, we must also write the functions. So let us first import regular expressions module, and then let's make a pattern like we are used to. So it's a raw string, so we won't escape any stuff accidentally. And we say first, this will be counted as a group. So let us escape that and make a digit which occurs 3 times, and then an empty space, but this could be translated as a tab, for example. So let us see. Regular expressions space. What is the regex way to say space? Now this is not a space. This is tab, regex space or white space. Yeah, because this is space or white space. Regex space in Python. Just white space, man. That's weird. Alright, so we shall make it so, and then 3 digits, and then dash, and then 4 digits, and that is our pattern. And let us access the Python regex how-to document again. Because there is this, first we must compile it, and I don't quite understand that, like with this. So we could say, we could find compile method. So we look for compile. Alright, compiling regular expressions. So now that we're looking at some simple regular expressions, how do we actually use them in Python? An interface to the regular expression engine, allowing you to compile regular expressions into objects and then performing matches with them. Alright, so this is the way we make a regular expressions object. And let us mark the end of the string and the beginning of the string, and we say So the pattern is actually ReCompile, and this will produce an object, a regular expressions object. So ReCompile also accessed an optional flags argument used to enable various special features and syntax variations. We'll go over the available settings later. Without a single example will do. ReCompile AB, okay. Backlash plague. Performing matches. So once at the beginning search, find all match. So we say just match. Alright, so we say pattern match, and then we say phone number, and this returns match object. We know that from before, and let us just print out this match object. Test, run the test. All right, so as expected, the first test match object is created because this function finds this pattern in this string. So let us just try to, and when there is no match, there none is returned. So let us see what happens if we just return the match object. So this should equal true, none should equal false, none should equal false. So we have to just maybe do it something like this. If match object, then return true and return false if that condition is not fulfilled. This is all green. Now are all the tests green? All the tests are green. And so before we see a better solution to this and think, wow, why, how come we didn't think of that? Let us think for ourselves. So pattern must be defined and compiled. Match object must be attempted. I mean, this function must be run. The only thing that kind of pollutes is this. So let's say Python if return true one line. If statement to one line in return. Return true if E not in word, else none. Alright, so we shall say return true if match object, else return none. Else just false. So we have, if this would work, let's test it out. Test this, test that. Alright, we have turned 3 lines into one with one simple Google query. Alright, let's submit it. I'm satisfied with that. Alright. Oh my god. These guys imported RE inside a function. So we say bool RE match. But they didn't need to make a compile method. Alright. That's an interesting thing. I thought that compile method was necessary. Okay, phone number, and this just a raw string of regex pattern, and using this bool function, let's see, Python bool method. Let's see what this produces. Bool is to return a current value to boolean value. Yeah, none. So yeah, because this bool transforms none into false and something into true. Very interesting. Big up to Xtraining for this simple, quick and educational kata, and have a lovely day.